when we're looking at transformations of quadratic functions, we want to look at the quadratic in vertex form. So it'll look something like a times x minus h in parentheses squared plus k. And the a, h, and k are going to tell us how to transform our basic x squared to get the graph of our quadratic that we have. So here we have f of x equals negative 2 times x plus 5 squared plus 17. And I'm going to look at this starting from left going to the right. So first, I want to look at this negative. If this first term here, this first number is negative, then that tells me that I'm going to take my base graph, the x squared, and I'm going to flip it. So my transformation from that negative is I'm going to flip it over the x-axis. If it was positive, I just wouldn't do anything. Now, I look at the 2. Since this is a number greater than 1, ignoring the negative for now, I'm going to do a vertical stretch. So I'm going to pin the vertex there and sort of stretch it out. So it's going to get thinner through this transformation. So it's still going to be flipped upside down, but it's going to get pulled out. Just look a little thinner. So now I'm going to look at my h here and the k. The h and the k are going to tell me where this vertex goes. So it starts at 0, 0. But when I look at my h, this is going to tell me where along the x-axis it's going to go. And you can see here that in our original formula we have a negative h. And so this is going to make this number here be the opposite of what it looks like. So it looks like a positive 5, but instead we're going to go over to negative 5. We're going to go to the left since there's a positive. So I'm going to take this graph from up here, and I'm going to shift it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to negative 5 and redraw it there. Now our last thing is this 17 is going to be our y coordinate. And this one we're just going to take whatever number is here. So we have positive 17, and so I'm going to move it up to positive 17. So I'll take this graph. We'll keep it over at negative 5. But I'm going to need to bring it up here to 17. I'll draw my thin parabola there. And this vertex is at 5, 17. So our sign out front tells us if we flip it over the x-axis or not. The number tells us if it's greater than 1, we stretch it out. If it's less than 1, we're going to flatten it. And then our h and our k, the h is going to move it along the x-axis. If it's positive here, then it's going to go left. If it's negative, it's going to go right. And our k, if it's positive, it's going to go up. And if it's negative, it's going to go down.